What's going on, everybody? Welcome back here to the channel. XRP went on a run yesterday. We're here to talk about it. We are back in the lab. XRP surges to 74 cents, reaching its highest price since mid-March. And here's why it happened. We're going to break things down. But in this video, later on, we're going to talk about the likelihood, the possibility of Gary Gensler potentially stepping down this week at some point, or maybe even into next week. And we have some interesting news surrounding that. Obviously, this would be extremely bullish for crypto and extremely bullish in particular for XRP, right? Given that Ripple has been caught in this lawsuit with the SEC since December 2020. So this big surge in XRP, you guys know that I've said this before. I love to trade XRP over on leverage, over on Margex. You can see that logo up in the top right corner of this video. There's a link down below to Margex. If you're interested in leverage trading, sign up with me today. You're going to get a great sign-on bonus. We're going to get you off and running, and you're going to have a chance to win up to $10,000 in USDT when you start trading with me over there. I love playing the leverage game with XRP because it's range bound, right? It kind of floats from 50 cents to 66 cents. Now, we broke out of that chamber a little bit. We'll take a look at what's going on with the price action here a little bit as well. But in the past 9 days, XRP has experienced a big rally, climbing from right around 50 cents on November 4th to a peak of 74 cents today on Binance. And that's over 50% at one point. Now, we've dialed back a little bit. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. But why? What's going on? Well, one of the reasons is XRP funding rates and social dominance has spiked. One of the primary drivers behind XRP's price surge appears to be heightened social media activity and shifts in the funding rates. On-chain analytics firm Sentiment noted via X that the XRP community has erupted with excitement and discussions related to crypto's number 7 market cap, with over 4% of all coin discussions currently related to XRP. The firm emphasized that surpassing 74 cents has people excited, and there are a lot of people calling for that 90-cent mark on XRP. A lot of people betting big on the open interest market, and people have some longs already in on platforms like Margex that could take us up to those local tops that we saw, late last year. And again, here it is right here. Highest ratio of Binance XRP long versus short position since March 31st. A lot of people excited. Now, speaking of Gary Gensler, I know a lot of people are interested in this portion of the video. So check this out. Speculation about potential regulatory changes is certainly influencing XRP's market dynamic. People are way more excited about the market because of a potential changing of the guards at the SEC. And we know this directly impacts XRP. Now, we have dialed back from 74 cents. We're still at 68, okay, right around 69 cents, still up about 29% on the week, comfortably at a $39 billion market cap. But this right here is probably the biggest story we have to look at, okay? Pro-crypto lawyer James Meta Lawman Murphy shared an intriguing timeline on X, drawing some parallels between U.S. presidential elections and the resignations of former SEC chairs. And if we follow a similar trajectory here that we did in 2016 and 2020, where SEC chairs Mary Jo White and Jay Clayton announced their resignation shortly after results, well, this could be what happens here, guys. We could get a resignation letter from Gensler ahead of, Donald Trump saying, hey, you're fired, right? This is usually how things work. People will resign if they know they're going to get fired, right? It just looks better. Let me step down before, I get, the boot here. But he noted what happened in these previous elections. And here's what he said. November 8th, 2016, Trump got elected. November 14th, which would be tomorrow, Mary Jo White announces her resignation. November 3rd, 2020, Biden elected. November 16th, 2020, Jay Clayton announces his resignation. Now, November 5th, 2024, Trump gets elected. Well, here we are. It's November 13th right now. So this could potentially happen this week, guys. I love the breakdown here from Meta Lawman This gives us a nice historical representation of what could happen here. So we could get news as early as this week, maybe even into next week. Now, this speculation is significant, obviously, for XRP because the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC. Remember, this started when Gary Gensler came in. Okay, Jay Clayton was out November 2020. The lawsuit against Ripple started when? December 2020, when Gensler stepped into office. This is why it's so significant. And here we are 4 years later. Obviously, Donald Trump has stated his intention to remove Gensler from his position on day one in office, citing the need for more crypto-friendly SEC chairman and a crypto-friendly SEC. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has shown strong support for this change, obviously, urging Trump to appoint replacements more favorable to the crypto industry. Some names that are floating: Chris Giancarlo, Brian Brooks, or Dan Gallagher are names that have been floating out there. Garlinghouse highlighted the need for regulatory clarity, especially concerning digital assets outside of Bitcoin, the altcoin market. That is really what we're looking to get more clarity on. When it comes to Bitcoin and Ethereum, we pretty much have that with ETFs. And after that, the only thing that has some form of clarity, in my opinion, is XRP on the retail side of things, and it's not a security. That's why it's back on exchanges. Now, the speculation among some Ripple supporters is that Gensler's removal could lead to a more favorable outcome for Ripple. Yes, we could see, I think, a potential price pump on this news event, right? And if the SEC completely drops its appeal in the case, the market, I think, would react very, very strongly to something like this. At press time, XRP traded at 65 cents. And actually, we're a little bit up from that, 68 cents right now. We've come back up since, coming back down. And we could take a look quickly at the chart. There's where it bottomed out at about 65 cents. We're back on an upswing. Last 7 days, guys. We topped out yesterday. Great run up there to 73, 74 cents. We're building back up here. Great volume on XRP. Great monthly outlook here. And we have been in a slow uptrend since 2022. Since we were down here at 32 cents. Yes, it's been choppy. It hasn't been a straight line to the moon or anything like that, nor do we expect it until more clarity is given to us in this case. So that's what we're looking at, guys. You guys can see here, this is the daily chart on XRP. Maybe some consolidation starting to happen here. This is nice to see here. This was your opportunity to get in, especially if you wrote it up here to the top. Nice 26% move in the last 6 days on XRP. This momentum up was flashed by XT Algo. That's my trading indicator. That's my company. If you guys want access to XT Algo, you can get it. A little over $1 a day. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Link down below. So I've got that offer for you. And again, that Margex link is down below. A couple other trading platforms down there too with spot trading. BTCC is down there in the description. Check all that out before you head out. And we will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But Gary Gensler could be out as early as this week if things follow the same path as they did in 2016 and 2020. This is extremely bullish news for XRP. Let me know what you guys think about this down below. We'll see you.